Explain the age of the universe based on the Big Bang Theory and also light years based on the concept of light flux. The Big Bang Theory estimates that the age of the universe is 13.8 billion years. This means the time from the first formation of the universe to the present. This estimated age is calculated by measuring the distances and speeds of various celestial bodies. Explain the process of creating elements and matter under the assumption that the Big Bang Theory is correct. According to the Big Bang Theory, which is a given assumption, the universe initially began at high temperatures and densities and expanded explosively, obtaining its current size and shape. How were elements and matter created in these early cosmic conditions? Because the temperature was so high in the beginning of space, light and other particles were moving very fast. At these high temperatures, electrons and protons combine to form proton, a hydrogen nucleus. Then protons and neutrons combine to form alpha particles, helium nuclei of atoms. This process is called fusion. Later, temperature and density gradually decrease due to the expansion of the universe. In these situations, elements and materials are produced in different ways because they do not maintain enough temperature and density for fusion to occur. For example, photoionization occurs, a process in which photons with very high energy interact with other particles to separate electrons and protons. This process can produce more protons. Furthermore, due to the cosmic density changes that result from the expansion of the universe, protons and neutrons can combine to produce heavier elements such as helium, lithium, and beryllium. This process is called elemental synthesis. In conclusion, according to the Big Bang Theory, hydrogen and helium nuclei were produced through fusion in the early part of the universe, and then heavier elements were produced through photoionization and elemental synthesis. The process of generating these elements and materials is one of the key points to understanding the evolution of the universe to date. Explain the birth of the universe and the evolution of stars with the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory provides an explanation for the birth and evolution of the universe. According to theory, the universe began initially at very high temperatures and densities, then cooled with explosive expansion, resulting in its current size and shape. How did stars form under these early conditions? In the early days when the universe was very hot and dense, there could be no solid or liquid matter. Instead, there were elementary particles like electrons, protons, and neutrons. These particles interacted with each other, and the fusion process produced heavier elements. The high density of these elements causes them to gather around the center and form a collection of stars. When stars form, the temperature and density around the center increase. In this process, fusion occurs near the center, and the star emits energy and shines. When stars run out of hydrogen fuel, energy production stops near the center, and the star cools and shrinks. In this process, heavier elements can be produced. This process of star evolution is called star life cycle or star evolution. In the Big Bang Theory, also because of the initial density change, stars interact with each other, attracting each other with their own gravity. With this gravity, stars get closer to each other, forming a large-scale structure called galaxies. Thus, the Big Bang Theory plays an important role in understanding the structure of the universe, explaining the evolution of stars.